Do you know what's keeping most people broke? It's not lack of income. It's not bad luck. It's the fact that they treat the simplest wealth-building strategy like it's rocket science. Dollar cost averaging. You've probably heard of it. You might even understand it. But you're still not doing it. And there's a psychology behind why something so obvious feels so impossible. Let's start with loss aversion, because this is where it all begins. Your brain is wired to feel losses about twice as intensely as gains of the same size. So when you think about investing, even a small amount every month, your mind doesn't calculate the potential growth over 20 years. It fixates on the risk of losing what you put in next Tuesday. That fear isn't rational, but it's real. And it keeps your money sitting in a checking account, earning nothing, while inflation quietly eats away at it. Then there's the illusion of perfect timing. You tell yourself you'll start investing when you understand the market better, when you have more saved up, when things feel less uncertain. But that's just your brain creating a cognitive escape hatch. The truth is, there will never be a perfect moment. Waiting for clarity is just another way of avoiding the discomfort of making a decision with incomplete information. And while you wait, compounding interest is working for everyone else who started imperfectly. Here's where it gets interesting. You're also battling what psychologists call present bias. Your brain values immediate rewards far more than future ones, even when the future reward is objectively bigger. Spending $50 today on something you'll forget about in a week feels more satisfying than investing that same $50 for a version of yourself 10 years from now. That future you feels like a stranger. So you prioritize the dopamine hit now over the financial security later, and the pattern repeats itself every single paycheck. Social conditioning plays a bigger role than you think. If you grew up watching people around you live paycheck to paycheck, avoid talking about investing, or treat the stock market like a casino, those beliefs got embedded in you. You inherited a financial worldview before you ever earned your first dollar. And now, even when you logically know that consistent investing works, there's this quiet voice in the back of your head saying it's not for people like you. That voice is just an echo. It's not truth. Then there's the paradox of choice. Dollar cost averaging is simple. Invest the same amount at regular intervals, regardless of what the market's doing. But the investment world bombarded you with options. Index funds, ETFs, individual stocks, crypto, real estate crowdfunding. Your brain interprets variety as complexity, and complexity triggers avoidance. So instead of just picking a low-cost index fund and automating your contributions, you get stuck researching, comparing, second-guessing. Analysis paralysis isn't about being thorough. It's about being afraid to commit. There's also something called temporal discounting, which is just a fancy way of saying the further away a goal is, the less real it feels. Retirement is decades away for most people. That distance makes it abstract, almost fictional. You can't emotionally connect to a version of yourself at 65 when you're 32 and worried about rent. So the urgency never builds. The behavior never changes. And the gap between what you know you should do and what you actually do just keeps widening. Here's what you need to understand. None of this makes you lazy or financially irresponsible. These are deeply rooted psychological patterns that everyone deals with. The difference between people who build wealth and people who don't isn't intelligence or willpower. It's whether they've learned to automate the decision so their emotions can't sabotage it. You set it up once, and then it happens without you having to feel brave every month. The simplest investment strategy isn't ignored because it doesn't work. It's ignored because it requires you to act before you feel ready. to commit before you feel certain, and to trust a process that won't pay off for years. But once you realize that your hesitation is just psychology, not reality, the path forward becomes obvious. You don't need to outsmart the market. You just need to outlast your own fear. If this made you rethink how you've been approaching money, hit the like button and subscribe, because we break down the psychology behind the decisions that shape your life. Most people won't do this, but you're not most people.